Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, but today's problem is not going to be about genetics, it's going to be a logical problem. And as you probably noticed, I'm trying to solve all the problems in genetics using logical method, because you always can solve problems using logical method. But if you rely on formulas, it's easy to forget formulas because usually you don't use them in your daily life, so it's easy to forget. Here's the problem. Maria has 10 bags full of coins. Each bag contains 1000 coins, but one bag is full of forgeries, and she just cannot recall which one. She does know that genuine coins weigh 1 gram, but forgeries weigh 1.1 grams. To hide the fact that she can't recall which bag contains forgeries, she needs your help. How can she identify the bag with the forgeries with just one weighting? As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. In order to find the bag with forgeries with only one weighting, we have to take one coin from the bag number 1, 2 coins from the bag number 2, 3 coins from the bag number 3, and so on, and from the last one, 10 coins. If we add all these numbers, we know that each fine coin weighs 1 gram. So we should get 55 grams if we add all these coins. But let's imagine that, for example, bag number 2 contains forgeries, which weigh 1.1 gram. In this case, you are going to get 55.2 grams. If, for example, forgeries would be in the bag number 7, in this case, you're going to get 55.7 grams. And, for example, if bag number 10 would contain forgeries, 10 coins would give us 1 extra gram, and we are going to get 56 grams. So, as you see, using this method with just one weighting, you can tell for sure which bag contains forgeries. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.